Are you stuck with a bad title on an uploaded video and you have no idea how to fix it without just deleting the whole thing and starting over? Learn how to change it instantly right inside the YouTube Studio app. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly where to tap in the app to edit your title, from opening up your content list all the way to saving that change and confirming it actually stuck. All right, so first things first, you want to open up the YouTube Studio app. We're not using the regular YouTube app for this. It has to be the Studio one. Once you are in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You will see a row of tabs. Go ahead and tap on the one that says Content. That is your video library. Every video you have ever uploaded lives right here. Now, you have to find the specific video with the title you want to change. Scroll through your list until you see it. Once you spot the thumbnail, tap directly on it. That is going to open up the details page for that video. Up in the top right corner of this screen, you will see a little pencil icon. That is the edit button. Tap on that. When the editor opens, you will see your current title sitting in a text field. Just tap inside that field. Your keyboard should pop up and you can type in whatever new title you want. This is your chance to fix that typo or try out a more descriptive headline. Once you have it typed out exactly how you want it, look up to the top right corner again and tap the button that says Save. Now, here is the thing. The change doesn't always show up instantly to the world. Give it a few seconds for YouTube to process it. To double-check that it worked, tap the back arrow to close out of the editor. You should be back on the video details page. Tap that back arrow again to return to your content list. Look for your video in that list, and you should see your brand new title there. If you want to be extra sure, tap on the video again to open its details and confirm it is updated. And if you have a few more videos that need a better title, you can repeat those exact same steps for each one. Just remember, sometimes a title change can take a little while to update everywhere, especially if your video is getting a lot of views, so don't panic if it doesn't refresh immediately. Since you are in the editing mindset, let's talk about some quick best practices for those titles. My biggest piece of advice? Avoid clickbait at all costs. You want people to click, sure, but you want them to stay and watch. A misleading title will just hurt your retention. Instead, focus on keywords that people are actually searching for. Think about what you would type into the search bar to find your video. And try to keep your title under 70 characters. That way it does not get cut off in search results. Now, if you have done all of that and the title is just not updating, do not stress. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. If it still isn't working, try closing the app and reopening it. In my experience, that fixes it most of the time. And as a last resort, you can always reach out to YouTube support directly through the app. That is really all there is to it. You do not need to re-upload a video or start from scratch ever again just to fix a title. You have got the control right in the palm of your hand now. Good luck with your channel.